what's really good about this is a really good partnership. So actually we were here with Street Watch a couple of years ago, and they were actually around the mess that it's got. So actually it's trying to make sure that from a street's point of view that they're absolutely cleaned and bring pride in that community. So we applied to the Home Office. We got £1.4 million for here, come to invest in Northamptonshire, and these gates are an important part of that. So what it does is they're locked and only the residents can escape. So both they reduce crime, and where they've been implemented, something like a 40% reduction of crimes occurred. But in addition to that, it brings pride back in the community. So what happened is that we paid and worked with Norse to actually get those streets clean, the actual alleyways cleaned, and to actually help bring that pride. So actually make them both more secure, and actually got, just talking to residents here today, a really wonderful response from them.